Hello, Mzansi and the world. This is Davis Mukhomo. I'm back with another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Please enjoy.
I love you too much, man. Valentine. Happy Valentine. Mama.
Ayo.
With my liver. Oh, that's cute. Looks like mom.
Just fine.
My favorite puppet. Did he receive
Saninesikhathi esingakanani Ntsholo?
Kade saqala sisabancane yabo sisabancane impela.
Awu ngoba okushuthi nisanda qala ngoba namanje nisebancane.
Phakathi asisangazi.
Okay, this is not funny.
Awu asiqedeleni interview.
Hayi sala wedwa qhubeka wedwa
The interview.
Umotshwarele ba muje gape. Ummet a o tshwarisha. O jewa wena ka tronko. Le na shala ji was strong.
Since ba le matlanga commissioner di lawyer tsa Unisa di na le nkane motho a telle ho mmitsa go di funeral re kopelo tlo re kukisa pizza kam o tla utlwa sekgwa sa ha yena wa supervise. I am the guardian of the due process. This is reckless and procedurally an improper exercise. Your strategic intentions and ethical compass is questionable.
Pizza.
We cannot be lifting this. Where's the wheelbarrow? Batho ba le bana le nkane ene ba lebetse hore di assignment tsa bona ne ba di ngwalwa ke Chiram Bandare.
Same thing applies laba futhi laba sebenza kuma security guard aba grade A no grade B. No inspector bahamba ngemoto ezingasevisiwe zihambe zikhuphula igauge. Into yazi nje ukuvela ngewindi nentshebe engashefiwe abuzulele la dot usho ba udlela kujwayela kuvuthela ngedonki pere ekhanda mina inyanyisi wena.
And a breakfast in bed. Wow, thanks my darling. It's about cho pula yona ka di ice.
Ngwanyana. Awako bona ngwanyana o tswa family e phuwa. Mo fe di snacks. Ha tsala a. Le bana ka wena be. Ata. Awang. Awang. Wa kenya matswidi. Ini hela over these 2 days.
Mina bengisuggesta ukuthi masime kancane ngokuvakasha okwamanje sihamba singcono ezindlini niyabona ukuthi kuyashisa sihamba singcono manje kufanele mina ngisayofuna ishort neskipa ngoba wena ufuna ukuthi kuyashisa just let's tone it down on your visits until maybe sisikwazi ngoba mina ngingcono lana.
Ya re dithaka tsa rona di jwala banna bagolo ba bitsang KFC ba re ke Kentucky
Kentucky.
Hi yo
Banna ke ma 666 lina. Okay. Banna. Okay. Waya ka. Kaya Google. Picture ya 2023 accident ya Chevy. What's the matter? Kware ya ka thusu. O tla ka wena. I'll explain to you because they're taking a statement here and I was driving.
Na ngele khale ke nyetse. Just maloma ka rena se bare. Ena ka se rume ke ngwana.
Au.
So na ke re wana le malome a nkadimena. Au nyalla.
On Valentine's Day ya this year a re nyela. Abana ga sa jole bana o tlo ifila. Even what's Saturday. West by Tomega Friday, but pre-Valentine's Day. Saturday bar Valentine's Day. Sunday bar feleletse ba re bolai ba re Sundays are for lovers, Valentine's Day limited edition special what yo.
Siyalalela asijajani. Ngike ngenzela ubaba isinkwa esi-expire esinane izinto ezigreen kodwa ubaba wasidla kanganaka. Siyalalela asijajani.
NgoDisemba ngathi imali anginayo, angiholile. Kanti imali inezi into bana ngisana nayo egoli.
Into mina ngihlala nayo egoli.
Siyalalela.
Sihluphe kangaka nje la ngoDisemba wena uthi imali awunayo.
Angiphola la. Siyalalela asijajani.
Okay. Kubeke. Siyalalela asijajani. Ubaba ngonyaka odlule njobeke wanginikeza imali la wathi angiqasha indoda ezoplastela. Yaplastela indoda kodwa ngangayikhokhela ngemali. Ngenza iplan nje nami njengomfazi ukuthi sikhokhelane nayo indoda leyo ngoba vele sasisobabili sibadala sakhokhelana nje ngendlela sethu. Futhi kwakuvele kubanda ke nje ngamkhokhela ke nami. Njenge ngithuvi umfazi.
Ay, wapenda wena.
Ngeke mana kusiyasa.
Uthi ngakhokhelana kanjani? Ngendlela sethu phela sisobabili sasibabili sibadala vele. Still sodwa yini.
Siyapena.
Ungahlini musokuhlini. Siyalalela ungajaji kube kusho kwakho. Buye uhlale phansi. Musokucebisa amehla wangaceba ayikho nje into enza ucebisa amehla.
Emzini kababa.
Emzini wababa wakho kwani?
La ifaka mala lokho.
Siyalalela sijajani. Yebo, i-draw.
I-draw.
Both teams to score.
Kumnandi ukuthandana nomuntu ozazi ukuthi ufunani. Ufunani?
Ufuna wena.
Yephe?
Waps ngempela wena ufunani?
Ufuna wena na. Siyafunana.
Promise kilina la makhowa. Wena o mafranya mmao.
Okay.
O ka monwa o. Pretty ha batle purity. Ha ke tsebe jwale ke mo fe chakalaka.
Imagine.
O mongwe o jehetse go ya mahaeng ka gore ke chipi ko teng fela.
Khanya ngwe ke batla go tlhamalla ke yo manna ka botšapelo ke khanya bosi ba ma 1k ma late 70s 80s le ma 90s bo atlanyana ke ya mo social media bo ntina ga ke tsore a ke monetization or ke eng mo kwela le bojagisela bo sa tswe and lo batonna lo se batla go bollela motho ngena o tla batsa megeu hela a khaunya mo gano a ba dire gore a elela ha tswa o tla go busa lo leme a itse bo ithare ke gona a khatla bo thirsting yana bo khotsa o tsa banana a e o bola yotlhe o bo tsore banana ena a leng e o botsotlhe before a lo mapisi ya ntla o e khurumeletsa go tsena go mo metsong kwa tswa ba sheshetla
ya na ke content
lo tlhaka ngwa tlhogo ke social media monetization because there is no way lo tlhaka ngwa tlhogo ke go pentle ga sa lo simolola go pentlega decades ago bo 30 years ago a itsa mahana go timo e ka be le gore go pentlega ga go lo tlhakanye tlhogo ke
next thing it's a
Bobby.
Petro.
Ya kerale. Orenya go emaleng.
Re lisa kwena.
Ile rumangwe. Ke nna perna to abantwana. Sometimes over that. If asa fela ke ke.
Ngwana le confidence. I wonder ke ngwana mang ile go nna ka wena.
Master ene ke nna go pilong ya. Akubona unku anytime soon. And papa ka ke big show.
Kopala tšhelete rente re bone gore nka se kobe na.
Tšhelete rente bjang ke ba over time to keep your heart alive and pumping. Ebile ko wena nkolotang le rato la gago.
Batata wena oxygen.
Ka batata vele. Agela go tola ka ke tsmo moyeng. Ke shola no le hemile.
Tšhomo ka rena ke tsamaya ngwana o sia ka tlhalohanya.
A wa relax a shiamang ka tlhaloganyo. Hana chef.
Tausang matswa. Let me officially introduce myself. Ke nna motho wa wena kwena mo.
Venom straight.
A wa tšhomi bjang ka gore line e la re accommodatorily too.
Ke nna mseleo ke into de bafazi abanye lena kulena buma.
Petros sikwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu manje.
Nakhona phanti umfika.
Petros ukhuluma nami kanje.
Kan Martha wona we distraction to a brighter future. Right, bana.
Wentana mutulisela. Athatha inhliziyo yami wabaleka wavele wabaleka.
Love,
There is no love language. There is no love language said don't fall for the trap. We are already lacking. Don't destroy yourself trying to conform to someone's useless values. There is no love language. Love is a very powerful emotion. That is why they say love is formless. Love is unconditional. Love is blind. If it's blind, sir, where does it take the tongue now? To speak languages. Don't fall for the trap. Love language, sir, in simple terms, is someone saying, there's a condition. For me to love you and appreciate you more, you should be of this kind. You should do a certain thing. I love you, but for me to give you my all, you should be of this kind. Understand that you being used is not only financially, sir. It can be emotionally, it can be physically. If someone is using you for something, they don't love you. Because love is powerful, sir.
Being used.
People love toxic people out there. People that they hope they will change. They are with them. This person is too toxic for them. They are there because they are overpowered by love. They think somehow this person, the goodness that I see in them, they'll realize it, they'll change, we will go far. People forgive big stuff that if you hear, you'd be like, oh, say this is too much. But because love is formless, love is irrational, say. Love doesn't reason. Where does the language fit there? In the unconditional, in the formless, where does the language fit? You are being used, and they find it good English to justify them not loving you. They don't love you now.
Okay, if anyone can simplify that for me. Guys, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next upload. Take care.
And guys, wa bona ho le monna o le very ambitious, o na le a vision, o le business minded. Avoid banyana ba berekisa ditlhare. Avoid banyana ba o tsama dingaka, ho le moshimane o mo very ambitious. Hello wena wa itse wena you dream big. We get pile pele o te patla le khole. Avoid banyana ba o berekisa ditlhare. Avoid banyana ba o tlhapa ka metsa maphepolo. Avoid banyana ba madubula. Because of bona, you will kiss your destiny goodbye. You will kiss your destiny goodbye. Wabona, one thing go ratana le banyana bana leng very poor mentality. Batlo tshwarela go bona, they will hold you back. They will hold you back because of bona bane vision. Ase ba le re bate bona bona in 10 years time re tle be really the richest couple in the world. Abane that mentality. Bona ntwe ba nahanang ke control. Go re ba ile o keep ba ba ile o tshwarella byao. Ba ile o tshwarella byao. Ene wona e khawata destiny ya hao. Because of when as an ambitious man. Bona o ka se tlhelo lo re tlo lebella yena. O lawyer o berekela mona ko mbo itse ba o fa dijo ka di tray. Wena o bona o ka ro kreile mosadi ba o tlisa dijo ka di tray wa thaba. Ba o tshwara bjana ka a king ko ha bo tsena ko re bona a banya ke selo ko re bona everything ya ema ba o fa ba le fa rooms ko re bona ba le fa privacy ho tsena. Malapa ma bya wa tlhokomela a very dangerous. Ho tsena wena ba o fa ba o tshwara bjana ka a king le mmatengelo re mo fentre a ra yona le motho a ba le busy wena ba o bereka ka wena batho ba batla ba busy ka wena ba o tla wa assignment ya jarata o tsore ba o bona as a breakthrough ya jarata mara unfortunately a batla lo hanyo re bona the moment ba re bona ba o tshwara ka setlhare ke hesentsana ba bofale bophelo ba hao wena o tlo ba stagnant o ba under bondage o tle bo le busy bophelo ba hao bo revolve around ngwanyana o fela ntho e tle bo wa ranka yona gore ntho e tle bo wena o khirang ka yona gore o skebe wa jelwa. That's the only thing e wena tle bo nahanang ka yona o sa nahane ka ditoro tse le ona le ntsona o tlo tekera ona room le ngwanyana o sokola le yena o felletsa beno ba ile o tsela yena ene wena o le busy o lo obsessed ka yena still ditoro tsela tsa hao tsela bo ambitious bola ba hao bola bo fela because of tle bona le ngwanyana re bona o bereketse mona ko o hafa ka yena bona o ka re bona e bila le filo a bona o ka re bilo o loile motho mo rong a ipotsa gore o utlwa wena o bolela gore wena o na le business gore o na le eng a le bizarre o nyoko o tshwara ka setlhare kana a sa itse gore o ira stagnant because of o ka setlhelolora di ideas tsele nona le tsona di a tsamaya o nahana o bana le di ideas tsa o keepa yena o bana le di ideas gore o mo gate byang o ka setlhelolora di ideas tsa business so go very very dangerous gore o nna le ngwanyana o poor mentality e bile o berekisa ditlhare o bona mo e ke your biggest downfall wa bona malapa mantši a ba humi bomme ba teng hantši ba overprotective when it comes to their sons ebile ba decide gore ba ratane le bomang ba nyale le bomang because of ba understanda ba itse gore bona banyana ka montle ka mo a bona ke ditleba ba robala banyana ba majaki a gore bona ba ithatela bashimana ba humo re bona ba tlo ba feleletsa mara unfortunately le humo le lone o felela ona mo le ka se to the next generation because of onyana ngonyana wa poor mentality o loya wa lebella ena fela wa fela so bomme ba ba o ka bona ka re ngwana ke mama's boy gore moshimane mo lebeletse gore o controla ke mai wa itse wa tlhaloganya so wena as a man if you are ambitious if you know that you are ambitious tlhalla khole le banyana ba berekisa ditlhare ba tla o ira stagnant ditoro tsona le tsona tsotlhe tse bona a soro bona di tlo yena o busy nya ka future ha nna nya ke future o nya gore wena o be wa hae mara the moment wena o to tshwarella mo yena o khomarela mo yena o tsura o sa lora o tsura o nana ena fela o sa nana dilo tse ding o thomo ha fa ka yena lo tselo no le busy la ambitious ka tsona le bala le o ka tlola le bona le business ha o ka itlwelo le busy le beletse yena wari ya hao gore bona banna ba mbaske ba mo greya because of ke ka mkhodi tlhare di berekang ka teng so holy very ambitious tlalla khole banyana ba berekisa ditlhare tlalla khole le banyana ba berekisa ditlhare